Hi guys, this is Lucas from Lucas World. Today I'm going to show you 10 surprise eggs from Kinder. Okay, now I'm going to open the first Kinder egg. Like here's what's going to be inside. Here's the chocolate I can see. I need a bowl of chocolate. Okay, now I'm going to open the surprise. It looks like a dinosaur. Okay, now let's see the instructions. It says you can collect this many colored dinosaurs. Okay, now I'm gonna open my second egg. This egg is pink, so it will be something inside for girls. Okay, what's gonna be inside the girl Kinder egg? Chocolate. I need to put away so many chocolate because I ripped it. Okay, what's the surprise now? So hard to open this. Ooh. Okay, this is something different. This is a spinner, and this is how you build it and play with it. Okay, now I'm gonna build it. Just put one here, and the other one needs to go up top. Voila! Now I'm building the second piece. Now put stickers on it. Okay. Now we got spinner. Whee! Now let's open the third egg. Another egg of chocolate. Some kids don't like this chocolate, but I like it. And I also have this kind of chocolate. This is my favorite. I also have a whole box of this one. And now back to egg number 3. What's gonna be inside? Chocolate. Oh, it's another yellow plastic egg. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Ooh, a yellow car. It's Porsche Car. Cool. Now let's see what I can collect. Oh, I can collect different Porsche cars. Maybe it's gonna be another Porsche car and another egg. So let's open egg number 4. What's gonna be inside? Hope it's gonna be another car. Some of these eggs are hard to open. I can see something that is green. I don't know what is this. It's a flying thing. So let's put it together. Okay, so here are the wings. Let's fold them. And now put it together. Let's see it can fly. Phew! Well, I guess it only flies in the wind outside. Okay, now let's move to egg number 5. I'm gonna crack the chocolate, put it in the bowl, and now Now I'm gonna see what's the surprise. What is it? Pictures of animals. That's cool. Here's the instructions. There's so many pictures. Here's the pictures of animals. It shows you what the animal eats and how long it is. Here are my 8 animal stickers, and now I can learn more about them. Okay, now move to egg number 6. What's gonna be inside of this egg? Chocolate. Okay, what's the surprise? Yeah, I can see a wheel. Is you have to build a car? Oh, there's only one wheel inside. Let's see when we open the instructions. This is another wheel with launcher. And you can collect the 4 of them, of course. So let's build it together. Let's put the launcher on the table. And all you have to do is put the wheel inside and launch it. Woohoo! Let's do it again. It's fun. Woohoo! It's very fun. Now I'm gonna try it again. Whee! Let's try it again. Whoopee! To the chocolate. Bam! So that was egg number 6. Now I'm gonna open egg number 7. It's a girl one. Before I open the chocolate, I need to get the paper off. Now I can open the chocolate. Now we're gonna see what's the surprise. Okay, it looks like another building toy, so let's check the instruction. It's another spinning wheel, except it's different from the others. And here's how to build it. Here's how you launch it. You put the red strip inside and you just pull it out. Whoa, that's cool. Let's open egg number 8. Now let's crack the egg. Ooh, it looks like an ostrich. So this is the ostrich I need to build together. And here's the ostrich. Now let's open egg number 9. It's a girl one. Okay, now we're gonna open the surprise. It's the surprise like the first one. It's another dinosaur. This is a dinosaur with crayons and you can color like this. See? So let's open the last egg now. It's a boy one again. What's gonna be inside this egg? I wonder. Yep, I wonder. Chocolate. Each egg has chocolate. Oh, it's another dinosaur. It's a blue one this time. Cool, now I can color something nice. So now I have 3 colored dinosaurs. So here's all stuff I got today. Also, I have 10 plastic eggs that I can use for something later, and a whole bowl of my favorite chocolate. Yummy! So I hope you like my video, and see you next time. Bye guys! Yum, 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 yum.